Affiliate marketing has become a popular way for individuals to earn passive income and achieve financial freedom. With the rise of e-commerce and online businesses, there are endless opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs to dive into this lucrative field. However, many people struggle with getting started and navigating through the complexities of affiliate marketing. If you find yourself in this position, fear not. In this article, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to go from zero to hero in affiliate marketing. Define your niche. The first step towards mastering affiliate marketing is identifying your niche. A niche refers to a specific topic or industry that you are passionate about or have expertise in. By choosing a niche that aligns with your interests, it becomes easier for you to create valuable content and connect with your target audience effectively. Research affiliate programs. Once you have defined your niche, it's time to research different affiliate programs within that industry. Look for reputable companies that offer attractive commission rates and products, services relevant to your audience's needs and preferences. Joining multiple affiliate programs can diversify your income streams and increase earning potential. Build an engaging website or blog. To establish credibility as an affiliate marketer, having a well-designed website or blog is crucial. Your website serves as a platform where you can showcase informative content related to your niche while promoting relevant products, services through embedded affiliate links seamlessly. Create valuable content. Content is king in the world of digital marketing, including affiliate marketing. To attract organic traffic and engage readers effectively, focus on creating high-quality content such as blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, etc., that provides value and solves problems within your chosen niche. Utilize social media platforms effectively. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram play an integral role in driving traffic towards your website. Leverage these platforms by sharing your content, engaging with your audience, and promoting affiliate products, services through compelling posts and stories. Optimize for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a crucial aspect of affiliate marketing success. By optimizing your website's content using relevant keywords, meta tags, and backlinks, you can improve its visibility on search engine result pages, SERPs, driving organic traffic to your site. Track your progress and analyze data. To continuously improve your affiliate marketing efforts, it is essential to track and analyze data regularly. Tools like Google Analytics provide valuable insights into visitor behavior, conversion rates, and other key metrics that can help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategies accordingly. By following these 7 step-by-step strategies diligently, you will be well on your way to mastering the art of affiliate marketing. However, it's important to remember that success in this field requires patience, determination, and consistent effort over time. In conclusion, the journey from zero to hero in affiliate marketing may seem daunting at first, but with the right mindset, strategies, and dedication, you can achieve remarkable results. This article has provided you with a comprehensive guide on how to get started in this lucrative industry. Define your niche, research different affiliate programs, build an engaging website or blog, focus on creating valuable content, optimize for search engines, and utilize social media effectively. Finally, don't forget to track progress regularly. All these steps combined will pave the way towards becoming an accomplished affiliate marketer who generates passive income while enjoying the freedom of working from anywhere in the world. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today and embark on an exciting journey towards financial independence through successful affiliate marketing.